In 2017, Chinese did an experiment where they teleported a photon from Earth to a satellite. But here's a catch. They didn't actually teleport the photon, but instead a photon stayed and not the actual mass of the photon. Let me explain. So there's this concept called quantum entanglement, and in our case, for example, the photons, they have two states. Now, both of these states are interlinked or tangled with one another. Now, here's the fun part. For the first state, if it has a specific measurement, in our case, suppose a clockwise rotation, then the second state will always have an opposite measurement, meaning an anti-clockwise rotation. We have both the photons, one on Earth and another on the satellite, and their respective states, but both of them are not tangled with one another. So, how do we teleport the state 1's measurement, in this case a clockwise rotation, to the state 2? Simple. We introduce another photon with its unknown state. Now you tangle this state with the state 2 and state 1. Now, since we know that state 1 has a clockwise rotation, thus state 3 must have an opposite measurement, in this case an opposite rotation, which is anti-clockwise. And since the state 3 has an anti-clockwise rotation and is tangled with state 2, now state 2 has a clockwise rotation. So, in a way, we successfully teleported this rotation of state 1 and its measurement to the satellite, which is state 2. Now, here's the even crazier part. After observing state 1's measurement, which was the clockwise rotation, state 1 ends up getting eliminated. Now, why did that happen? So, there's this concept called superposition, which means something can be in more than one state at the same time. Let me explain. Now, state 1 can be in clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation, and right now it is in both according to superposition. But after observation, now we can see it is in one rotation, which is clockwise, and because of that it has lost its superposition and thus now it is eliminated. But since we know its measurement, we can reflect that on state 3, and even if state 1 is eliminated, from state 3 we know that state 1 was clockwise because state 3 is opposite anti-clockwise. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.